Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how senior discounts work in 2025. As people age, they become eligible for various discounts and benefits that can help them save money on everyday expenses, travel, and entertainment. In this tutorial, we will explain the concept of senior discounts, how they work, and provide practical examples and best practices. First, let's define what senior discounts are. Senior discounts are special offers and discounts provided to individuals who have reached a certain age, typically 60 or 65 years old. These discounts can be offered by retailers, restaurants, hotels, and other businesses as a way to show appreciation for their older customers and to help them save money. To qualify for senior discounts, individuals typically need to meet the age requirement and provide proof of age, such as a driver's license or passport. Some businesses may also require customers to sign up for a loyalty program or join a membership club to receive senior discounts. Senior discounts can vary widely depending on the business and the type of product or service being offered. For example, some restaurants may offer a 10% discount on meals for seniors, while others may offer a free dessert or drink. Retailers may offer discounts on clothing, home goods, or electronics, while hotels and airlines may offer reduced rates for seniors. Some popular senior discounts include discounts on groceries, movie tickets, and public transportation. Many grocery stores offer senior discount days, where seniors can receive a discount on their groceries on a specific day of the week or month. Movie theaters often offer discounted tickets for seniors, and public transportation systems may offer reduced fares or free rides for seniors. To take advantage of senior discounts, it's essential to research and plan ahead. Look for businesses that offer senior discounts and ask about their policies and procedures. Some businesses may not advertise their senior discounts, so it's always a good idea to ask if they offer any discounts for seniors. In addition to individual business discounts, there are also various senior discount programs and cards that can provide additional savings. For example, the AARP offers a membership program that provides discounts on insurance, travel, and other products and services. The Senior Pass is another program that offers discounts on national park admissions, camping, and other recreational activities. In conclusion, senior discounts can provide significant savings for individuals who have reached a certain age. By understanding how senior discounts work and taking advantage of the various discounts and programs available, seniors can enjoy their golden years while stretching their budgets. Remember to always research and ask about senior discounts. And don't be afraid to take advantage of the savings that are available to you.